Samsung has launched its new budget-friendly phone under F series in India called Galaxy F05, with vegan leather pattern on the rear panel. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy F05 features a tall 6.74-inch HD Plus display, with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a U-shaped notch at the top center that houses an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup at the top left corner that carries an 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy F05 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 4 GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 4 GB by using internal storage, and it has 64 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on One UI Core 6.0 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 2 years of OS upgrades, and 4 years of security updates. Additionally, the smartphone features an face unlock system for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 168.8 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy F05 has been priced in India at 7,999 Indian rupees, and it is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 20th, in twilight blue color option. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy F05 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.